This is Brittany with WTI with the cutest clear crossbody stadium approved bag. This is so cute. I would wear it whether I was going to a concert or not. It has such a fantastic little guitar strap. Yes, I'm starting with the guitar strap because it is so cute and adjustable and it fits so much. It can fit everything in here. You have the little outside pocket for easy access. It fits a full-size water bottle, any snacks, tissues, gum, chapstick, whatever you possibly need. It's going to fit with spare room. Honestly, even if you buy merch, even if you buy like a top, you could probably fold it up and fit it in here because this is so roomy, but still stadium approved size and clear and suits all your needs. And whether you're going to a concert or you're just in the city looking cute, whatever you want this crossbody bag to be, it will be for you. And that's my point of view.